Okay, this is the video about Cosmic VPN for iOS and macOS. I have just downloaded their application from Mac App Store. It's pretty much the same app. It was initially made for iPhone, and since Apple allows it to run iOS applications on the Mac as well, if we're talking about Apple Silicon Macs, I have just downloaded it and installed on my own Mac. So today I'm going to be exposing that this application is nothing but a ripoff from the Sentinel, from the Sentinel's application for iOS. And let's just jump straight in. First of all, what I would like to address is if we go to the Cosmic Network website, on their website, after it went all public, they put a license button here where we can press on it and see their acknowledgement and license. So you can see here that they claim that the native Apple applications were developed in-house. Well, it will take me just 2 minutes to prove that it is nothing but a blatant lie. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna find this application that I just have installed from Mac App Store in the applications folder. We will go ahead and dive into the package itself. You can see from here that it's called inside the binary called white label SDK. We can go inside this package and see that there is a bunch of things, right? But amongst all of them, the one that is interesting for us is this one, because it's an actual binary. While it is Unix executable file already, we cannot just decompile it or go inside of it like in a package. But what we can do is we can load it up into text editor and see if we can find some clues there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it from here and I will put it to the text editor, which is right there, and you can see there's a lot of gibberish style things are going on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop up the search, and we're gonna go ahead and write application configuration, for example, and we're gonna hit find all. So what it gives us a list of entries that we have found in the application. And there's dozens of them. You can see that there's some white label SDK application configuration backend URL string. And we know that there should be an error message called misconfigured environment, missing backend URL string. So the thing is that this exact wording, this exact string is also present somehow in our official GitHub repo, huh? So if you go to the Sentinel official and you go to the repos and you look here for iOS, you can find that there is a Sentinel dVPN app iOS. And what a coincidence. Also white label SDK. And if we go here and look up for application configuration, we'll find out that there's exact same file, an exact same string. Okay, but let me put it beyond the benefit of the doubt, because, well, many applications might have a file called application configuration, and maybe it even happened that way that both developers who don't know each other somehow wrote the same error message. What we will do is we will take the very same text editor that we have just opened, and we will look it up, not some application configuration stuff there, but directly we'll search for Sentinel. And guess what? When I press find all, it found 1,121 matches. So you can see that there is a whole bunch of methods that were taken from Sentinel and no credits were provided. So if I go ahead and open the application itself on my Mac, it will look like that. And as you can see, there's no single word that this application was developed on top of something that what we at Sentinel did. There was no credits, whatsoever. Just a plain copy, plain ripoff. And yeah, so that's pretty much it about their iOS app. As they claim they have developed it in-house, no, they didn't. We did. They just stole it.